How can I improve my vehicle's fuel efficiency? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Okay, bottom line is the absolute best way to increase your fuel efficiency is to drive like grandma. Bottom line is, science tells us that an object in motion wants to stay in motion, and an object at rest wants to stay at rest. So when we accelerate, that's when we're out using the most fuel. So we want to accelerate lightly, and we also want to avoid acceleration as much as possible. So also, if we see a light's changing, the longer we coast, and if that light will turn green before we get there, and our vehicle's already in motion, we'll save a lot of fuel because now we're keeping it in motion as opposed to having to get it going. The other things is, let's make sure our check engine light's not on and that everything's working properly on the car. One last thing that can help fuel efficiency is road resistance. How hard is it for the vehicle to roll down the road? And so if your tire pressures are low, that can decrease your fuel efficiency as well. So getting your tire pressures right where they're supposed to be can also help. So it's really not that complicated. Driving habits are the most effect on fuel efficiency. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.